This 10-minute video, I just edited the whole thing in under a minute. Every single silence whipped out, and I never touched my mouse. Something that used to take me hours now takes one click. Let me show you. If you edit in Premiere Pro, you know the feeling. You drop your clip on the timeline, and then comes the worst part, cutting out the silence. By hand, every pause, every dead space, every one by one. It was the slowest part of my whole edit. So I went looking for something to automate it, and every single tool I found was a subscription. Pay every month forever. The day you stop paying, you lose it. Paying a monthly fee just to cut silence? No, not happening. Then it hit me. I'm a developer. Why pay forever for something I could just build? I tried doing it with Claude Code first, but it was never precise enough. It cut in the wrong spots, it chopped off words, useless for a real edit. So I built my own plugin. Fast, accurate, and it runs right inside Premiere. I called it Fast Cut Pro. And honestly, it's faster and cleaner than every paid tool I tried. And the best part is how simple it is. Watch. You set it up once, go to Window, then Extensions, and click Fast Cut Pro. The panel opens, you dock it anywhere you like, and it stays there for good. From now on, the whole workflow is just 2 steps. Drop your clip on the timeline and select it, then click Cut Silence. That's it. Fast Cut Pro scans the clip, finds every silent gap, and removes them all on its own. And look how fast that was. A few seconds. A full 10-minute clip done in under a minute. The same job that used to eat a whole hour by hand. But is it actually clean? Listen for yourself. Hear all those gaps? All that dead air between every sentence? And now, listen. Everything flows. Not a single silence left. Your edit is basically 80% done before you've even started. And it's not just one button. You can shape the result exactly how you want. It comes ready to go on the default preset, which nails most clips. But if you make podcasts, voiceovers, or vlogs, just pick that preset and Fast Cut Pro tunes the cuts to your style automatically. Want full control? 3 simple sliders. Sensitivity decides how quiet counts as silence. Minimum silence sets the shortest gap to cut. And padding leaves a little breathing room around each cut so it sounds natural, never rushed. A few seconds of tweaking and the rhythm is exactly yours. Oh, and one more thing I love. Automatic audio sync. You know the setup. Camera footage on one side, your good mic audio on the other. Lining them up by hand is slow and never perfectly in sync. With Fast Cut Pro, select both clips, click sync, done. Lined up to the millisecond every time. So here's the real difference. Every other tool out there is a subscription. You pay every single month forever. Fast Cut Pro, you pay once. It's yours for life. No subscription, no monthly fee. Buy it, keep it, done. And right now, it's 70% off. That's the launch price, and it's not staying. So if you're paying every month just to cut silence, cancel it. Get Fast Cut Pro one time and you're set for good. The link's right in the description. So that's it. One click to cut every silence, presets for any kind of content, full control when you want it, and automatic audio sync. The 70% launch deal is right below, but it won't last, so grab it while it's still up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.